Hey everyone, and welcome to OceanBlue IT Studio. Today, we're diving into the world of freelancing and exploring the top 5 platforms this year that can help you take your career to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking for extra income or a recent graduate seeking your first gig, freelancing offers incredible flexibility and opportunity. Let's jump right in. Top 5 freelancing platforms. 1. Upwork. Upwork is a massive platform with over 12 million freelancers and 5 million clients. Offers a diverse range of projects across various industries, including writing, design, programming, and marketing. Features a connect feature allowing direct contact with clients and a bidding system for competitive pricing. Fees can be a bit high, and competition can be intense. 2. Fiverr. Fiverr focuses on micro-tasks and smaller projects starting at just $5. Perfect for beginners looking to build their portfolio and gain experience. Offers a straightforward and user-friendly interface with built-in messaging and payment systems. May not be suitable for complex or high-paying projects. 3. Freelancer.com, another large platform with a global reach and diverse project offerings. Utilizes a unique escrow system ensuring secure payments for both freelancers and clients. Offers various membership levels with different features and benefits. Competition can be fierce and the site interface can be a bit cluttered. 4. Toptal. Toptal is a curated platform for top-tier freelance talent. Offers high-paying projects and exclusive opportunities for qualified individuals. Rigorous screening process ensures clients are matched with the best possible talent. Entry can be competitive due to the selective nature of the platform. 5. Guru. Guru caters to a wide range of project types and skill sets. Features a unique project catalog, allowing freelancers to browse available opportunities. Offers a Guru guarantee that protects clients against project failures. May not be as well known as some of the other platforms. Benefits of freelancing. Flexibility. Choose your own projects, work hours, and location. Control. Set your rates and manage your own business. Variety. Work on diverse projects and expand your skill set. Potential for higher income. Earn significantly more than traditional salaries. Be your own boss. Enjoy greater freedom and autonomy in your work. So there you have it, the top 5 freelancing platforms and the amazing benefits this career path offers. Remember, success in freelancing requires dedication, hard work, and a bit of self-promotion. But for those willing to take the leap, the rewards can be truly rewarding. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you next time. Subscribe to OceanBlue IT Studio for more freelancing tips and advice. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Check out the links in the description for more information on each platform.